Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the Ninja class and immediately set loadout for aggressive mobility. Pick a quiet SMG or shotgun to capitalize on close angles. This lets you close gaps fast. Equip lightweight for sprint speed and ghost to avoid UAV detection. This preserves your flanking routes. Once done, add a throwing knife or stun to secure rapid kills and disrupt defenders. Make these first actions now so you're ready to execute rotation plays within seconds. You should move like a shadow, silent slide, jump peek, and reposition constantly to avoid predictable lines. Pre-aim common doorways and listen for reload or footstep cues. That information tells you when to commit. Once you've identified a target, use a stun or flash and then perform a peek-shoot-peek sequence to minimize exposure. Make sure to reset position after each engagement so opponents can't trade. This sustained movement is why the Ninja excels at clutch. You complete rounds by committing to fast executions. Use a melee or throwing knife when health is low to avoid long fights. If a confrontation turns bad, fall back immediately to cover and call for a teammate trade or wait for UAV intel. Patience preserves your advantage. If enemies detect you repeatedly, swap to a range-capable weapon and force longer angles instead. Troubleshooting tip: if stealth fails often, change route timing and add dead silence to reduce exposure and regain support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.